find the equations of the tangents from this point to this curve. So first of all, you have to figure out, is this point on this curve? We can check that by simply plugging in 11. This does not equal to 0, so it's not on the curve. Okay. So for such questions, this is what you have to do. You have to get an expression for a point on this curve. So if it was A, where it's the tangent is passing through for x, the y will be 2 minus a and a minus 3. So slope between these two, we'll have an expression of the delta y, so 2 minus a minus 3 minus 0, and a minus 11. Okay, this is the slope. Okay, multiply the top and bottom by a minus 3. Okay, top and bottom equally. And we get a minus 11, a minus 3. Okay, and of course, when you multiply this in, it just cancels out. So you just get 2 minus a on top. Okay, so that's one way to express the slope. The second way is to find the derivative. Okay, so if you differentiate that, you get negative x minus 3, negative 2 minus x. I'm using quotient rule here. I'm doing it a little bit fast, not showing the steps in detail. So hopefully that's okay. Minus x plus x, 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So another way to express slope is when x is equal to a here. Okay. So they have to equal. Since okay. So let's bring this to the left side. Okay, and then let's combine this, and the common base will be a minus 11 and a minus 3 squared. So this needs to be multiplied by on a minus 3, and this one needs to be multiplied by a minus 11. Okay, minus 6 and then minus 3a. Okay, it's only the numerator that matter, right? In terms of trying to find out when this expression is equal to 0. So let's clean up the numerator. You get minus a, minus 4, so minus 2a, and here we get positive 5. Okay. All right, hopefully I didn't make any algebra mistake here. I did make a mistake here. That's just plus 2a. So that's, right, that's plus 2a gives you plus 4a. Okay, so you get this. Okay, so this will factor. Okay, so when a is equal to 5 and when a is equal to negative 1, we have a tangent on the curve. Okay, so 11 and 0 is a, so let's find actually slope first. Let's plug in here. So when a is equal to 5, the slope is 1 over 4. When a is equal to negative 1, the slope is, so now we have the point 11 and 0. So it's y is equal to 1 over 4a plus b, 11 and 0. So b is equal to negative 11 over 4. I meant this to be x. Okay. Okay, there it is. That's the first equation. For the second one, x, and then it's plus b, and we plug in again. 11 and 0. So b is equal to negative 11 over 16. So the second tangent equation is this one.